So overall, this was a fun build. So I do get questions on why don't you just paint the printed part? And the reason why I'm going through this process is because I'm trying to expand my skill set. So I'm using these small builds as practice for bigger things. So like the next video is going to require some of what I'm teaching myself now, but just on a bigger scale. So I'd rather fail on a smaller scale than fail on a larger scale and spending more money in fixing a bigger mistake when the smaller mistakes are a little bit less expensive. Check out the Peopoly Moai. I do have an affiliate link down in the description. It does help out the channel and it does help me produce the content for these videos. So I'd also like to thank MatterHackers for sponsoring some of the UV resin that was used for this video and for this build. As always, I would like to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for supporting me and everything that I do. Cannot thank you guys enough. So until next time, peace and love. God bless.